Sanibona bafethu, ngisathanda kuthola umbiko la regarding uJose Rivero ne-Orlando Pirates. Menikhumbula kahle bafethu, i-Orlando Pirates idlala against i-Cape Town City kule mpelasonto esiphuma kuyona. Yabo, i-Orlando Pirates leyo game iwine ngo-2-1. Cape Town City is one of the teams eseke yashaya i-Orlando Pirates. Kulowo ma-teams singabala iStellenbosch, kulowo ma-teams singabala iMamelodi Sundowns. So i-Orlando Pirates ibiyodlala i-return fixture idlala i-Orlando Stadium. Ibifuna i-revenge kule game. Umdlalo bumnandi, Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukuthola u3 points. Kwazile ukuthola u3 points Orlando Pirates. First half yale game leyana bingekho mnandi. Yabo, according to me le game bingekho mnandi first half yakhona because Orlando Pirates iconsiderle igoal laphana, igoal eliqhamuka kulomfana lo Hashim Domingo. Simbonile ke egudla ngo-touchline lo mfana lo uThiweza washaya assist uDomingo washaya igoal lapha. Yabo, ithe Orlando Pirates sibuya second half yathola ke igoal lokulinganisa eliqhamuka from uNkota walisa kusehofaso mabasa washaya igoli liya kuniye post lapha na uDarren Hit wanebeka igoli lesibili lokuwinisa liqhamuka kuGoodman Mosele. Goodman Mosele ade agcina ukudlalela Orlando Pirates. Yabo, kuthiwa uGoodman Mosele wagcina ukudlalela Orlando Pirates ngo-2022 last season ube kuyi-loan. Yabo, simlonile le kwiChippa United, but ke last season wadlala amagame kwiChippa United wadlala kahle. Orlando Pirates yambuyisa ke imbuyisa nje une-injury le game kule game ade sidlala ukore igoli lokuwinisa. Yabo, it wasn't a beautiful goal, but ke likwazile ukusitholela u3 points. But ke angizile ukuzokhuluma ngematch la, ngizokhuluma ngoJose Rivero nalo coach nalo referee the fourth official ade khona kule game le. So kule game le ade kuno fourth official akhona Makalima. Menimazi akhona Makalima, I think she is the only female ref okhona kwi-Betway Premiership. Yabo, ngokwami mhlambe ungangitshela ukhona yini omunye u-female ref okhona kwi-Betway Prat, but mina ngisabone yena. Yabo, uyena ref engimaziyo oyi-female la kwi-Betway Premiership. Kuthiwa lana Orlando Pirates will be without their head coach Jose Rivero when they take on iMarumo Gallants this weekend. Rivero is currently suspended thanks to akhona Makalima. Yabo, menikhumbula kahle into eyenzekile kuleya weekend leya. Orlando Pirates igoli lokuqala elilikoriwe ekoro uMabasa. Jose Rivero, apparently uJose Rivero uhambile celebrate igoli. Singesazi kaswazi ama-rules amaningi, mina ngokwami ngikwazi ama-rules amaningi ebhola. Yabo, for ucoach kuthiwa akavumelekile ucelebrate nama-fans. Yabo, kuthiwa uJose Rivero uhambile celebrate nama-fans because uMabasa ukorile igoli. Wahamba we-celebrate umchita celebrate because phela umdlalo wakhe uskorile. Yabo, kuthiwa utholile yellow card ngaleyo nto. Mina ngibonile ke nimbonile uJose Rivero utholile yellow card. As ama-spectators emakhaya sixakekile ukuthi uJose Rivero utholile yellow card ngaleyo nto leya. But ke kuthiwa akuvumelekile ukuthi ocoach bahambe bayo celebrate yabo nama-fans. And uJose Rivero wasn't really happy about that decision. He wasn't really happy about that decision because ubonile ubengekho happy kuleya game leya. Yabo, but ke Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukore igoli lokuwinisa yaphela imatch. Ithe isiphelile imatch ilapho khona ke umsindo uqale khona wasuka. Umsindo uqalile usuka ngosikhathi uJose Rivero esuka kwipost yakhe eya ku-fourth official akhona Makalima. Yabo, akhona Makalima, I'm not saying she's a bad ref. Akhona Makalima uyakwazi ukuyibamba igame, uyibambile igame ngosikhathi kudlala iChippa United versus iKaizer Chiefs kuNedbank Cup. Wayibamba mnandi igame ingenayo idrama. Yabo, so kule match le there was idrama, bekunedrama enkulu ngempela, bekunedrama eningi ngempela because uJose Rivero uhambile wayokuyena wamkhomba ngomunwe kanje. He pointed at the female ref ngomunwe. Yabo, wamkhomba kanje. Abalandeli abaningi bebhola bala eSouth Africa bebengeke happy ngale senze uJose Rivero ngokukhomba uref wesimame ngomunwe kanje. Yabo, ibhola bafethu is full of emotions. Football is a game of emotions. Yabo, mungakwazi ukumelana nama-emotions la uzoba nenkinga ngempela. Yabo, uzoba nenkinga ngempela. Abantu bebengekho happy. They wrote izinto ezihlukene about uJose Rivero. Kuthiwa kumele avakashelwe ama-GPV activists what. Ngokwami mina I didn't see a problem ngalento yenze uJose Rivero. Yabo, maybe mhlambe I may be wrong. I usually see other coaches react toward male referees ngalendlela uJose Rivero enze ngakhona akhona Makalima. Sijwayele kumbona uNabi ethethe so ref besilisa. Yabo, singenzi nje ngawuthi into singajwayele ukuyibona le, but ke isiyenze uJose Rivero inkinga phela uyenze ku ref wesimama. Yabo, uyenze ku referee simame singesazi ke mhlawumbe iyona into elidela ukuthi uJose Rivero abe suspended noma kukhona amagama awashilo yebo because ube close nalo referee eloko emkhomba nje akhona phela mhlawumbe amagama awakhiphile singesazi khona amagama awakhiphile mhlawumbe yabo uyabazi ke phela abelungu ba quick ekhiphena amagama angekho right yabo so kuleya game leso idlala neMormo Gallants kuthiwa uJose Rivero uzobe ngekho uJose Rivero benayo iMormo Gallants iMormo Gallants currently ayinayo coach iMormo Gallants isathana ukuxosha uDen Malisela yabo so both teams izodlala bengekho head coaches uzobe khona kuMandla Ncikazi kwezimnyama uzozama uMandla Ncikazi ayibambe iqini lapho uMandla Ncikazi ade aqala ukusebenzisana noJose Rivero so I think uzokwazi ukumanage yabo abafana because abafana abaningi lapho uyabazi ziningi indonda sekayiwina noJose Rivero yabo Orlando Pirates currently ilimalelo badlali Sesani is injured Tito Maswanganyi was injured kule game leyade siyidlala neCape Town City but I hope umjidi uya recover soon yabo abuyele siyodinga u3 points kule game esiyidlala kuleli sonto iMamelodi Sundowns idlala against Sekhukhune United let's hope iMamelodi Sundowns yawu drop u3 points sithi nathi ukusondela kancane yabo because ilead bayinweba impela yabo nje abezodlala nje midweek bazoyinweba igap ibeningi nje bezonweba nje igap ibeningi so abafana beOrlando Pirates ba engqondweni mentally izoba disturb lo nto angifuna uqhamanga bebeyibona iMamelodi Sundowns ilinweba igebe lapha phezulu bazoba disturb mentally because asikwazi kube ithemba lethu kwiKaizer Chiefs iyodlala neMamelodi Sundowns ngeweekend asikwazi kube ithemba lethu kuyona because iKaizer Chiefs bafethu iteam esazi kahle ukuthi iyakwazi ukudlala but ishawa izinto ezincane yona izinto ezincane ezenza iKaizer Chiefs engakwazi ukuconnect so iSundowns nje ubishisa nje kule insuku isathanda kubuya ku4-1 iShayties Galaxy one of the teams adlala kahle kule season yabo iyodlala neSekhukhune nje kuleli sonto asazunza la naseSekhukhune siyadlala Sekhukhune I think right now so number 3 asifikanga nje ngumlingo nje so number 3 yabo so nikeza iSundowns igame yangempela bawodlala kulesa stadium lesisincane esibizwa ngeOld Peter Mokaba Stadium I don't really like that stadium yabo but ke bayodlala neMamelodi Sundowns let's hope iMamelodi Sundowns ngempela iyawadrop abafethu ama points but ke eyiphumayo ehamba phambili enginileselo zona ukuthi uJose Rivero ngiyazi abe khona kule game le ezobe siyidlala neMormo Gallants yabo ngangitshela wena regarding le matter le ukuthi uzizwa kanjani should referee banikeze coach ama yellow card maybe celebrate ama goals nama fans noma yinto uJose Rivero ayishile emenze wathola le yellow card wangitshela about this matter lapho kuma comments ungakhohle ukusubscribe uVane Sports lo ngiyabonga bafethu for isupport eninginiya yona yabo